I'm gonna support my kitty. That I don't want to be a monster. So let's go.
So how are you feeling right now? It's good.
Okay.
Are you ready?
This will be painful.
Nah, it's just a little bit.
Oh my god! Wow!
One eternity later.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Macam
It's just a few seconds then we want to go.
Ni memang lagi sekali Mami terus balik je. Tinggalkan. Okay, dah. Dengar cakap Mami macam tadi. The same things. Good boy. Mami good boy.
Okay?
Iman good boy balik. Okay.
Iman anak, Mami dah.
Sakit sebab saya selalu buat benda tu. Aduh.
Nanti makan aiskrim tau.
Dia tak suka aiskrim. Sebab tu dia tak kisah tadi.
Macam mana? Nak bagi dah stop.
Aduh.
Aku nak bagi minum aiskrim.
Air dalam peti ais ke sejuk macam tu pun okey je kan?
Yang sejuk.
Okay. Oh tak nak juga? Oh tak nak.
Tapi jangan kena yang panas.
Okey. Dia dah terpaksa lah kan?
You did it?
Kita ikut je.
How many? Two. Yeah.
Now I gotta get V-Bucks.
V-Bucks. After you put your pillow, you get V-Bucks.
Terima kasih.
I don't know. That's how I remove my teeth. And then don't forget to subscribe. Bye.